Good evening and welcome to Options Center. It is Tuesday, 7 p.m., 8:22. Welcome everybody. Just want to do a quick update before I head over to volleyball for a tournament here. Want to check in with you. We're just going to go over to SPY and look at the daily time frame and then down to 65. So don't forget to support this channel. I really appreciate everything you do. This is free. Let's do it. Let's make things happen and trade well. So I found this support line here. We have this trend line that held up the market for a bounce. We had a down day today, but naturally we got a reaction off of the 8 EMA. That's a trend indicator. But what we're seeing is a little bit of divergence at a couple different indicators, and I want to show you this Williams %R. This is a really good reversal indicator, and I have here on the daily. It's hard to see, but when we get this last candle gap down, we're actually getting a divergence here, and that's compared with the RSI. We're actually getting a buy signal on the daily time frame. So just want to show that, point that out. When you start to get divergence on the Williams R, it's a really good reversal indicator, and I'm just looking for a bounce, not for new highs. We had this trend line here that we broke down from, accelerated, are bouncing off of this new trend line that I have marked here, and I'm expecting to retest this back test of this uptrend line, and also that 20 simple moving average right around the same area as the 50 simple. And then if we let's go ahead and clear that out, and let's go to the 65 minute. We'll look at this on 2 frames. We have our traditional, this I have the channel here, that's also that uptrend line. That's where I'm looking at back testing. We have a downtrend line that kind of coincides with that same area. So notice that we have this gap area and this 200 moving average. You see all this confluence of stuff happening here, the back test of the uptrend. So we want to really pay attention there. And I should draw out, let's go ahead and just borrow this trend line here, just to represent what we were showing on the daily time frame. And you see it's not a perfect angle here, but it works well. It works just fine, just a little bit lower for that touch, and broke through and fake break, got back above it. Okay, so let's go over to the Elliott wave count, and then we're going to end this video, real short video. All right, on this Elliott wave count, we have this marked down as a leading diagonal. That's 5 waves of 3. 3 down, 3 up, 3, 3, and finally the expanded 3 here. For a impulsive wave 1. And now, what are we getting here? So I didn't expect the market to actually pull back at this point. We're looking for a sharp move into a zigzag, which would be a 5-wave move up, a 3-wave consolidation, and then another 5-wave move up. But they never give it to you in the same way. So we had this first 5 waves as a 1-2 here marked. Now I'm saying that as an AB. So we have a couple catalysts coming up here, and we have a 1-2 setup here. So these were both down to the 618% retracement. And so this qualifies as being an AB for that first 5-wave move up. I know it's really small. And now a 1-2 into a setup where we should get a nice impulsive wave, probably from the PMI in the morning as the catalyst. And so we should have a nice sharp third wave with a little bit of consolidation, and then our final move into the 618 retracement, possibly spiking through. We'll have to look at the QQQ as well, and we'll do that tomorrow after we see some sort of price action here. We want to make sure this confirmation happens. So technically,